Do you want to show your girl that you care about her in a deep, profound way? Do you want to make her feel special like she's never felt in her entire life? You need to show her that you care about her. If you buy her a vacuum cleaner this Valentine's Day, if you say, "Baby, I got you this vacuum cleaner so that you can clean my apartment." Women love things like that. If you say, "Baby, I got you this microwave. I love you." Women love things like that. You have to show a woman that you care about her. You can't just ignore her all the time. Treat her good, treat her right. You see that microwave on sale at Walmart? Get her that Walmart microwave. Get her that microwave that she's always dreamed of, with the 30-second quick button press, and the 2-minute timer, and the power cook buttons, and the removable tray that cleans itself. Get your girl the most amazing microwave she's ever had, and make her feel a deep, profound love.